baby Charlotte. It's story time. Charlotte loves story time, and it makes her sleepy too. Once upon a time, there was a puppy who found a magic teddy bear. The magic teddy bear could fly as high as the sky. Woof, woof, said the puppy, because he was so happy. But then a little kitten appeared, and she said, "Meow, meow, that's a lovely magic teddy bear. Why don't you give it to meow?" Meow. Yes, but the puppy said, "Woof, I'm very sorry, Miss Kitty, but I found the teddy bear, so I think it belongs to me." And then a little baby mouse appeared. "Squeak, squeak," said the mouse. "I think I need a magic teddy bear more than anyone. Please, give it to me. Me. Everybody wanted the magic teddy bear, and they woofed and meowed and squeaked so loudly they woke up the wise old owl in the tree. "Hoo, hoo," said the owl. "Who do you think should get the magic teddy bear? Why not give the magic teddy bear to baby Charlotte? She can keep it in the playroom where everybody can enjoy it." Yes, yes, they all agreed. And that's how little baby Charlotte got Georgie, the magic teddy bear. Sweet dreams, baby Charlotte.